Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about the clerk exam postcode 692 which held on 4th November 2018. So before watching my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So let's start. Our first question is, what number is nearest to 457 which is divisible by 11? So here correct option is A, 462. Second question is, the simplest form of 69 by 92 is? Correct option is B, 3 by 4. Third question is, 25 divided by 0.0005 is equal to how much? Correct option is D, none of these. Fourth question is, A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total of the ages of A, B, C be 27 years, then how old is B? ए 2 वर्ष बड़ा है बी से, जो कि सी से 2 गुना बड़ा है. यदि ए बी सी की आयु का कुल 27 वर्ष है तो बी कितने साल का है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, 10 वर्ष का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, 80% of 50% of 250% of 34 is equal to how much? So here correct option is D, none of these. Next question is, Ram and Shyam together can finish a job in 8 days. Ram can do the same job on his own in 12 days. How long will Shyam take to do the job by himself? Correct option is C, 24 days. राम और श्याम साथ में मिलकर किसी कार्य को 8 दिन में समाप्त कर सकते हैं. राम उसी कार्य को अकेले 12 दिनों में कर सकता है. श्याम अकेले उस कार्य को करने में कितना समय लेगा? सो हियर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, 24 दिन. Next question is, 7th question is, an athlete runs 200 meters race in 24 seconds. His speed is? एक एथलीट 200 मीटर की दौड़ 24 सेकंड में दौड़ता है, उसकी चाल है. हेयर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Next is, the largest size of bamboo that can be placed in a square of area 100 square meter is? 100 वर्ग मीटर क्षेत्रफल वाले वर्ग में रखे जा सकने वाले बांस की बड़ी से बड़ी साइज है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी बी, 14.14 मीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, January 1, 2007 was Monday. What day of the week lies on January 1, 2008? जनवरी 1, 2007 को सोमवार था. जनवरी 1, 2008 को सप्ताह का कौन सा दिन होगा? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, मंगलवार, ट्यूसडे. नेक्स्ट इज, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इन डे द हैंड्स ऑफ क्लॉक आर स्ट्रेट? दिन में कितनी बार घड़ी की सुइयां सीधी होती हैं? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, 44 टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट इज, 11th क्वेश्चन इज, A can run 100 meter in 27 seconds and B in 30 seconds. A beats B by, correct option is B, 10 meter. Next question is, the 16th term of the series 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, after that dash is given is? So here correct option is A, 33. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 6, 17, 39, 72 एंड आफ्टर दैट क्या आएगा? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, 116. इन दीज क्वेश्चंस you can pause the video and try to solve the answer, and after that you can check the answer, right? After that, if the English alphabet is written in reverse order, which one of the following letters will be the 14th letter from the left? Correct option is D, none of these. Next question is, how many meaningful words can be formed from the word gentleman without changing the order of letters? Correct option is C, 3. Next question is, which one is different from the rest? Correct option is B, QOM. 17th question is, as naked is related to cloth, in the same way thirsty is related to which? Correct option is B, water. Next question is, 18th question है, in a code boxer is written as AQ WGQ, then visit in the same code is written as? Correct option is C, UKRKS. Next question is, if all the numbers from 1 to 21 which are divisible by 2 are written in ascending order, then which will be the number at 6th place from the right? यदि 1 से 21 तक सभी संख्याओं को जो 2 से विभाज्य है आरोही क्रम में लिखा जाता है, तो दाएं से छठे स्थान पर कौन सी संख्या होगी? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, 10. 20th क्वेश्चन इज, मदर ऑफ Q इज सिस्टर ऑफ P एंड डॉटर ऑफ M. S इज द डॉटर ऑफ P एंड सिस्टर ऑफ T. व्हाट इज द रिलेशन ऑफ M विद T? Q की माता P की बहन है और M की पुत्री है. S पुत्री है, P की और टी की बहन है, एम का टी से क्या संबंध है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, इनमें से कोई नहीं, नन ऑफ दीज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड आउट ऑफ द 4 गिवन अल्टरनेटिव्स ए बी सी डी। आपने करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करना है। फर्स्ट स्पेलिंग है एकोमोडेशन की, सो हेयर करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ACCOMMODATION। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी। सेकेंड इज अनफॉरगेटेबल, सो करेक्ट spelling of unforgettable is UNFORGETTABLE. So here D is the correct option. Next question is tomorrow. Tomorrow की correct spelling क्या होती है? TOMORROW. So here B will be the correct option. Next is maintenance. Maintenance की correct spelling होती है MAINTENANCE. So here C will be the correct option. After that defines, so here C will be the correct option, DEFIANCE. Next is choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word out of the 4 alternatives A B C D. आपने opposite word select करने हैं यहाँ पर। तो हमारा फर्स्ट वर्ड है celestial, सो यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा इसका ऑपोजिट में B, earthly. नेक्स्ट इज obscure, सो हेयर ऑपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ obscure इज famous. B is the correct option. 28th question is impulsive. Opposite of impulsive is cautious. A will be the correct option. 29th question is 29th पे जो word है that is captivate. So opposite of captivate is repel. B is the correct option. Next is secretive. So opposite of secretive is candid. C will be the correct option here. Next is choose the appropriate prepositions out of the 4 given alternatives A, B, C and D to fill in the blanks. आपने यहाँ पर preposition select करनी है जो कि sentence में appropriate होती है. Instead of firing dash the thief, the police fired dash the mob. So here instead of firing at the thief, the police fired upon the mob. So here C will be the correct option. First fill-up में आपका at आएगा instead of firing at the thief. Second fill-up में आपका upon आएगा, the police fired upon the mob. Okay, so here C will be the correct option. Next question is the police has been accused dash connivance. The police has been accused dash connivance dash the criminals. So यहाँ पर the police has been accused of connivance with the criminals. C will be the correct option here. Next question is he has applied the principal dash the principal. So here he has applied to the principal for the post of a teacher. So here B will be the correct option. 2 and 4 will be the correct option. Next is he is a very slow person both dash speech and dash his business. So here he is a very slow person both of speech and at his business. Of and at will be the correct options here, correct prepositions. So here C will be the correct option. Next is she was disgusted dash the interior decorator as well as dash the decoration. So here she was disgusted with the interior decorator as well as at the decoration. D will be the correct option. Next question is choose the correct meaning of the given item or phrase out of the 4 alternatives A, B, C, D. 36th question है to serve out. So correct option is to capture. To retaliate. B will be the correct option. To serve out, to retaliate. So here B will be the correct option. Next 37th question is by fits and starts. Correct option is C, irregularly. 38th question is taking to heart. Correct option is A, grieving. Next question is to cut someone short. Correct option is to interrupt someone. C is the correct option. 40th question is a fly in the ointment. Correct option is D, a problem in a situation. D is the correct option. Next is choose one word substitute for the following group of words out of the 4 given alternatives A, B, C and D. A place where aeroplanes are kept. Correct option is B, hangar. Next is a very famous person. Correct option is C, luminary. 43rd question is dead without having made a valid will. Correct option is C, intestate. Next question is one leading an unsettled life. Correct option is C, vagabond. 45th question is a woman who uses her charm to exploit men. She is vamp. A is the correct option. Who was the first information commissioner of Himachal Pradesh? Correct option is D, P.C. Rana. Next question is in which year All India Radio Center was set up at Shimla? Correct option is A, 1955. 48th question is who headed the Punjab Reorganization Commission 1966? Correct option is D, J.C. Shah. Next is 49th question. The New Year festival in Chandra and Bhaga Valley is called. Correct option is B, Halda. Next question is which town of Himachal is known as Chota Kashi? Correct option is D, Mandi. 51 question है the Hatu Fort in Himachal Pradesh is located in the territory of. Correct option is D, none of these. Next question is when did Mahatma Gandhi visit Dharampur, Solan, Himachal Pradesh and delivered a speech? Correct option is B, 1939. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 53rd क्वेश्चन है हमारा हु वॉज द फर्स्ट हिमाचली स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन टू रिसीव अर्जुना अवार्ड? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, सुमन रावत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु टुक कीन इंटरेस्ट इन प्रमोशन ऑफ चंबा एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड रुमाल? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 55th question है the Masroor temples of Kangra is built in which century? Correct option is C, 8th century. 56th question is who started the Shivratri fair of Mandi? Correct option is D, Ajbar Sen. 57th question is the Aryans came to the Aryans came to Himachal Pradesh from. Correct option is B, Central Asia, Madhya Asia से. 58th question is US club Shimla was originally the residence of which British ruler? Correct option is D, Sir Jeremiah Bryant. 59th question is who was the first speaker of HP Vidhan Sabha? Correct option is D, Jayawant Ram. 60th question is who was the ruler of Bushehar state when 1857 revolt took place? Correct option is A, Shamsher Singh. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु फाउंडेड द भागल स्टेट? भागल राज्य की स्थापना किसने की? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, अजय डे. 62nd क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वाज द अर्लियर नेम ऑफ सुंदरनगर टाउन? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, बारेद. 63rd क्वेश्चन इज हु वाज द मोस्ट पावरफुल किंग ऑफ कुल्लू डायनेस्टी? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, महेश्वर सिंह. Next question is who took possession of the books of Kangra library and got them translated into Persian? Correct option is A, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 65th question is which district does not share its boundary with Kangra district? Correct option is A, Bilaspur. 66th question is Markanda Khad flows in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Correct option is D, Sirmaur. 67th question is Nako Lake is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Kinnaur will be the correct option, option A. 68th question is where does the river Satluj enter Shimla district? Correct option is D, Badal. 69th question is by what name glaciers are known in the local language? Correct option is C, Shigdi. Next question is which of the following towns does not fall in the Shivalik hills? Correct option is D, Manali. 71st question is which is the port town of Indus Valley civilization? Correct option is B, Lothal. Next question is the original name given to the follower of Mahavira was? Correct option is B, Nirganth. Next question is the last king known to history of the line of imperial Mauryas was? Correct option is A, Brihadat. Next question is the largest urban center in early ancient India was? Correct option is D, Patliputra. 75th question is which of the following term came to be used for all kinds of foreigners? Correct option is D, Yavan. Next question is Navinatakam deals with? Correct option is D, medicine, चिकित्सा से. 77th question is, who among the following is considered as the last great Hindu emperor of India? Correct option is B. Harsh. Next question is, which was the last great Hindu imperial dynasty of northern India? Correct option is B. Gurjara Pratiharas. Gurjar Pratihar. Next question is 79 question. The famous Chaturbhuj temple at Khajuraho was built by. Correct option is D. Yashovarman. 80th question is, Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki was associated with which of the following Sufi orders? Correct option is B. Chishti order. Next question is 81st question है, the ruler who did not go for any fresh conquests was. Correct option is D. Bahlol Lodhi. Where were the ships built for trade? Correct option is D. Maldive Islands. Maldive Dweep. Which one of the following was the first ruling dynasty of Vijayanagar? Correct option is A. Sangam dynasty. Which of the following emperor's tomb is outside India? Correct option is D. Jahangir. 85th question is, the longest of Shivaji's military campaigns was conducted against. Correct option is B. Karnataka. 86th question is, the Indian ruler who defeated the English in the early stage of British rule in India was. Correct option is B. Hyder Ali. 87th question is, who declared himself as the governor of Bahadur Shah? Correct option is D. Khan Bahadur Khan. Next question is 88th question है, the first nationalist leader to preside over the Indian National Congress was. Correct option is D. W.C. Banerjee. 89th question is, how many of Gandhiji's followers were selected to go on the march to Dandi? And correct option is A. 78. 90th question is, after which Congress session Muhammad Ali Jinnah left the Congress? Correct option is C. Nagpur session. 91st question है, granite is a form of. Correct option is A. Igneous rocks. Which of the following is the greenhouse gas? Correct option is B. Carbon dioxide. 93rd question is, the salinity of sea water is highest at. Correct option is C. Tropics. 94th question is, the soils found in the marshy areas are known as. Correct option is A. Bog soils. 95th question is, which of the following is a tropical grassland? Correct option is A. Savanna. Next, horticulture is most widespread in the. Correct option is A. Mediterranean regions. 97th question is, the main food crop of South Asia is. Correct option is B. Rice. The queen of the Himalayas is. Correct option is B. Kanchenjunga. The Barak river originates from. Correct option is B. Mount Japvo se. 100th question is, which of the following states of India possesses all the 4 physiographic units of the country? Correct option is C. Maharashtra. Next is, which of the following states leads in the production of the salt? Correct option is C. Gujarat. Which of the following dams is also known as the Ranjit Sagar Dam? Correct option is D. Correct option is D. Thin Dam. Next is 103 question है हमारा, the Kalakot coal field is situated in. कालाकोट कोयला क्षेत्र अवस्थित है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. 104th question is, the mean age at marriage is the highest amongst the. Correct option is A. Christians. 105th question is, which state occupies the top position in the country in the male literacy? Correct option is A. Kerala. Next is, in Bhotia tribes the graziers are called. Correct option is A. Andwals. 107 is, Sundarlal Bahuguna is associated with the Chipko movement, so here A will be the correct option. Next question is, the most spoken language in the world is. Correct option is A. Chinese. Next is, to which country does India export the largest quantity of iron ore? Correct option is A. Japan. India leads the world in the export of. Correct option is D. Mica. 111th question is, the universal law of gravitation is attributed to. Correct option is C. Newton. Next is, the food of a man eats has. Correct option is C. Potential energy. Next is 113th question. Liquid drops and bubbles acquire spherical shape due to the phenomenon of, correct option is B, surface tension. Next is 114th question. Which mirror is used as a shaving mirror? Correct option is C, concave mirror. Next question is transistors are made from, correct option is D, semiconductors. 116th question is the filament of an electric bulb is generally made of, correct option is tungsten. Next question is India's biggest nuclear research reactor is known as, correct option is A, Dhruv. Next, the widely used polymer polyethylene is made from, correct option is A, ethylene. Next question is rifamycin is a drug to cure, correct option is C, tuberculosis. Next is 120th question. Alcoholic beverages, wines contain, correct option is B, ethanol. Next question is fumagillin is an, correct option is B, antibiotic. Next is malarial parasite is transmitted by, correct option is B, Anopheles, which is a mosquito. Next question is the nut having high carbohydrate content is, correct option is B, chestnut. Next question is tannin is used for making, correct option is C, inks. Next is 125th question. Butter is a good source of, correct option is A, vitamin A. Next is which of the following fundamental rights is not available to foreign citizens? Correct option is B, right of freedom of expression. Next question is which of the following appointments is not made by the President of India? Correct option is D, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next question is who is highest civil servant of the Union Government? 128th question का correct option है A, Cabinet Secretary. Next question is a proclamation of emergency must be placed before the Parliament for its approval within, correct option is A, 1 month. Next question is the resolution for the removal of the Vice President of India can be proposed by, correct option is D, any House of Parliament. Next question is which of the following states elect only one member of the Lok Sabha? Correct option is B, Sikkim. Next question is which of the following categories of bills can be initiated only in Lok Sabha? Correct option is C, money bill. Next question is who was the first woman chief minister in independent India? Correct option is D, Sucheta Kriplani. 134th question is 5-year plan in India is finally approved by, correct option is D, D, National Development Council. Next question is a financial emergency can be declared by applying which articles of the Constitution of India? Correct option is C, 360. Which amendment to the Constitution of India inserted a new Article 21A providing right to education in the Constitution? Correct option is A, 86th Amendment. Next question is what was the main aim of the Antyodaya program? Antyodaya कार्यक्रम का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या था? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, हेल्पिंग द पुअरेस्ट अमंग पुअर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज SJSRY belongs to, correct option is A, urban areas. Next question is 139th question है estimates of poverty in India are given by the, correct option is D, Niti Aayog. Next 140th question is the central banking functions in India are performed by the, correct option is C, RBI. Next is 141st question is stagflation is, correct option is C, inflation with depression. Next question is dear money policy implies, correct option is D, high interest rates. 143rd question is which of the following is not a part of machinery that settles industrial disputes? Correct option is D, wage courts. 144th question is when was Consumer Protection Act passed? Correct option is A, 1986. Next question is who gave the call for evergreen revolution in India? Correct option is A, M.S. Swaminathan. 146th question is which state has become the first Indian state to implement the national policy on biofuels? So here correct option will be A, Rajasthan. Next is Dr. Bhisham Narayan Singh, who passed away recently, was associated with which political party? Correct option is D, INC. Next question is what is the India's rank in the United Nations E-Government Development Index 2018? Correct option is C, 96th. Next is who has taken over charge as the new chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Correct option will be C, S. Ramesh. Next question is under whose captainship the Indian Kabaddi team clinched the 2018 Kabaddi Masters Dubai title. Correct option is A, Ajay Thakur. Next question is 150 question है which Indian cricketer has recently inducted into ICC Cricket Hall of Fame. Correct option is A, Rahul Dravid. Next question is Niti Aayog has recently partnered with GNFC Limited to implement fertilizer subsidy disbursement through which technology. Correct option is B, blockchain. Next is which state UT government has recently launched happiness curriculum for students up to class 8. Correct option is D, Delhi. Next question is 154 question है the famous cultural festival the famous cultural festival Behdi Nakalam 2018 was celebrated in which state? Correct option is D, Meghalaya. Next question is who has recently become the first serving Indian Army officer to complete Ironman competition? Correct option is C, Vikram Dogra. 156th question is which telecom company has become the India's first mobile operator to launch internet telephony services in India? Correct option is A, BSNL. Next is which Indian naval ship has become the first ever warship to enter port of Sabang in Indonesia? Correct option is B, INS Sumitra. Next question is which city hosted the first Nepal India think tank summit recently? Correct option is A, Kathmandu. Next is Karman Kaur Thandi is associated with which sports? Correct option is A, tennis. Next is 160th question India's first in-phone tourism guide and mobile application Go What's That has recently launched in which city? Correct option is D, Chandigarh. Next is इनमें से मुहावरा कौन सा है? So here C, अंगूठा चूमना is the correct option. Sorry, here अंगूठा दिखाना is the correct option. आंसर की में अंगूठा चूमना दिया गया है विच इज द रॉन्ग वन एंड अंगूठा दिखाना ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर. नेक्स्ट इज इनमें से कौन सा शब्द संज्ञा है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, प्रथम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज जिस वस्तु को पाने की इच्छा की जाए का सही शब्द क्या है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, अभीष्ट. बाल्टी में दूध है में कौन सा कारक है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, अधिकरण. कर्ता ने कर्म को करण से के द्वारा संप्रदान के लिया पदान से जुदाई संबंध का के की रारेरी अधिकरण में पर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर अधिकरण में, बाल्टी में दूध है, में यहाँ पर अधिकरण. ठीक है, अधिकरण कारक है. नेक्स्ट इज आई का प्रत्यय है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, लिखा. नेक्स्ट इज द्विजेंद्र का संधि विच्छेद है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, द्विज जमा इंद्र. अ वर्ण का उच्चारण स्थान है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, कंष्ठोष्ठ्य. नेक्स्ट इज सर्वथा भिन्न शब्द है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, चुपचाप. हाल का उपसर्ग है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, खुशहाल. आह्वान का विपरीतार्थक है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, विसर्जन. So if you liked my video and if it helped you, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So thank you. Keep supporting, keep motivating Education Hub.